Stop settling for a cluttered home screen. Go from this to this. We're supersizing the icons, stripping away the titles, and color matching everything in under 90 seconds. To get started, hold your thumb or finger down on the center of your screen until your apps wiggle and shake. Up at the top, select Edit. From here, select Customize. I can supersize my icons by selecting my square dots here. Don't forget to darken the depth of your wallpaper if that makes it a little easier on your eyes. You'll notice once I supersize my icons, it stripped away my app titles. Now let's have some fun with the color palettes. Change from default mode to dark. You can decide whether that's always or auto dark depending on the time of day. Select liquid glass icons, or my favorite, Tinted. Tinted allows you to match your app icons to any color, perhaps matching your phone case or even the color of your iPhone. I'm going to select the color of my iPhone by selecting this iPhone here, and you'll notice my iPhone is a nice space gray, which then made all of my apps also space gray. I know it's a hot debate whether you go with the default color apps or the tinted apps. I prefer the nice aesthetic of everything the same color. What about you? Don't forget to like and comment on this video if it was helpful for you, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video.